This faceless YouTube channel made over $9,000 a month using AI, with just 26 videos, and we'll break down exactly how they did it, step by step. This channel skyrocketed to 58,000 subscribers in just 4 months, without ever showing a face with AI-generated content. The fresh approach is grabbing attention and changing the way content is created. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the exact strategies these channels use, showing you how they combine smart tools and creative ideas to keep viewers engaged and grow fast. This faceless channel has demonstrated remarkable performance metrics, achieving an impressive 2.5 million views across just 26 videos. This statistic highlights the channel's ability to attract a substantial audience with a relatively small volume of content. Each video garners hundreds of thousands of views, showcasing high engagement rates that reflect viewers' interest and interaction. This channel smartly targets students by focusing on productivity and study tips, filling a big gap in the educational space. By offering helpful insights and real-world strategies, it connects with viewers who are actively looking to improve their learning habits. This focused content keeps people watching and builds a loyal audience that keeps coming back. When you look closely, the channel's success comes down to two things: consistently engaging content and a strong understanding of what its viewers really need. The financial success of the Faceless channel is underscored by its estimated monthly ad revenue, which exceeds $9,000. This impressive figure highlights how effective content can translate into substantial earnings, particularly in the competitive landscape of YouTube. By consistently delivering high-quality videos that resonate with viewers, the channel has not only attracted a large audience, but also maximized its monetization potential. This demonstrates that creators can quickly capitalize on their efforts, especially when they focus on engaging topics that appeal to a broad demographic. The ability to generate significant ad revenue in a short time frame serves as a powerful incentive for aspiring YouTubers, showcasing the lucrative opportunities available in the platform. As we delve deeper into the channel's financial strategies, it becomes evident that a well-executed content plan can lead to impressive financial outcomes for creators willing to invest their time and creativity. Creating videos for the Faceless channel involves a systematic, step-by-step process that leverages advanced AI tools for both video production and scripting. Initially, creators utilize AI to generate engaging scripts, ensuring that the content is both informative and captivating. Following this, selecting high-converting topics and titles becomes crucial, as these elements significantly impact viewer attraction and retention. By focusing on trending subjects that resonate with the target audience, creators can enhance their chances of success. Additionally, to support aspiring YouTubers, the channel provides a comprehensive Notion document filled with resources and templates. This document serves as a valuable tool for viewers looking to replicate the channel's success in their own endeavors. By following these steps and utilizing the provided resources, creators can streamline their video production process and increase their potential for growth and engagement on their channels. Establishing a strong brand identity for a YouTube channel is essential for attracting and retaining viewers. A memorable channel name and logo serve as the foundation of this identity, making it easier for audiences to recognize and remember the channel. When creating these elements, aim for simplicity and relevance to your content, ensuring they resonate with your target audience. Eye-catching banners and thumbnails are key to grabbing attention. Use bold colors, easy-to-read fonts, and visuals that make people want to click. Just as important is keeping your branding consistent across all your videos. When your channel has a clear and unified look, it becomes more recognizable, builds trust, and keeps viewers coming back for more. Producing engaging and effective videos requires a strategic approach that captivates viewers from start to finish. A well-structured script is essential, as it ensures that the content resonates with the audience and maintains their interest throughout. By organizing ideas logically and incorporating relatable anecdotes, creators can create a connection with viewers. Additionally, matching visuals with the voiceover is crucial for clarity. This alignment helps reinforce the message and keeps the audience focused on the content. Thoughtfully chosen visuals can enhance understanding and retention of information. Furthermore, incorporating background music can significantly boost viewer engagement, setting the tone and evoking emotions that complement the narrative. The right music can create an immersive experience, making the video more memorable. By implementing these techniques, creators can elevate their video production quality, fostering a deeper connection with their audience and encouraging them to return for more content. The editing process is crucial for creating a polished final product that captivates viewers. The first step involves cutting unnecessary pauses and aligning visuals with the audio to maintain a smooth flow. This ensures that the content remains engaging and that viewers stay focused on the message. Next, incorporating transitions between scenes is vital. They help maintain continuity and enhance the overall viewing experience. Additionally, adding captions can significantly improve viewer retention, making the content accessible to a broader audience and reinforcing key points. As you finalize the video, exporting it in high quality is essential for delivering the best viewer experience. High-resolution videos not only look more professional, but also reflect the effort put into the production. By following these editing steps, creators can elevate their content, ensuring it resonates with audiences and encourages them to engage further with the channel. Creating effective thumbnails is essential for attracting clicks and increasing viewer engagement. One innovative way to generate thumbnail concepts is by utilizing AI tools, which can help brainstorm ideas and create visually appealing designs tailored to your content. When designing thumbnails, it's crucial to ensure they accurately match the video content. Misleading thumbnails can lead to viewer disappointment and harm your channel's credibility. A thumbnail should encapsulate the essence of the video while sparking curiosity. Additionally, don't hesitate to experiment with different designs, colors, and layouts to discover what resonates best with your audience. Testing various styles can provide valuable insights into viewer preferences and improve click-through rates. By focusing on these strategies, creators can craft compelling thumbnails that not only attract attention, but also effectively represent their content, ultimately driving more traffic to their videos and enhancing overall channel performance. Today, we broke down how building a strong brand, crafting engaging videos, and designing thumbnails that actually get clicks can set you on the path to serious growth. If you've been thinking about starting or growing a YouTube channel, now is the time to take action. With the power of AI tools at your fingertips, creating high-quality content has never been more accessible. Every step you take brings you closer to your goals, and we're here to help you get there. If you found value in this video, be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out our next video for even more tips to accelerate your YouTube journey. Thanks for watching.